Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners along with my co-founder Mike Arnold. It is September 10th. This is a Path Chat educational update covering cryptocurrencies. This is a Litecoin update. Interesting thing that Mike is going to point out on this Litecoin chart. When you find a pattern, oftentimes on a different time frame chart, that coincides with a significant level or a Gann cluster or a trend line or a rotation zone or one of the other significant price action areas of a longer time frame chart. You can sometimes find a reversal pattern near one of those levels and it becomes higher probability. I need to stress, when you have a higher probability trade, you should not all of a sudden increase risk unless that's part of a plan you have that's been well researched. You just have a better pattern. So for people who maybe want a higher win rate on their trades, maybe they take only these trades, but your risk should stay the same. You shouldn't increase risk just because you have more than one thing pointing in a direction. I can explain that in a longer video sometime in the future. Anyway, let me turn it over to Mike so he can show you what he's seeing on the chart. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. So, Litecoin US dollar educational video. We've been getting a number of questions what we mean when we talk about a reversal pattern at a key level. So you can see here we have our longer term chart. We're between the major reversal Gann zones of 0.5 and 0.625, dipping in and beyond the lower end of the rotation zone, and we have a significant level which we will show you on a shorter term chart. But this is definitely a buying area. You see all these wicks or tails whenever it's dipping in here, and it's against a significant level. If we switch to the 4-hour chart, we have our significant level here, which is like a support or resistance level on steroids. It has a much stronger level. We have certain rules around them, but this qualifies for a significant level. So we saw it come down there, test that level. We can then look on shorter term charts for a key reversal pattern. Well, like on the 15-minute. This would be a key reversal pattern. You see that same level coming down to make a nice double bottom formation that hits all the rules. We then get a close above the peak, actually a return to rotation zone, which gave a very good entry on a pullback to the prior breakout zone and the peak of the double bottom. Then we have our stop reduction level, and this could either be one or two profit taking levels. And you see the reaction up here at the second level that it keeps reacting at. If you wanted to do this even on the 1-hour chart, you can see on the 1-hour chart here was that double. It's a little easier to see on the 15-minute chart, but then you got a close, you got the pullback, and you got a couple opportunities, and then you got the run up to these key levels, which also tied in with the 50 period exponential moving average. So that was a really good second target. Just a little educational update on how we look to trade some of these at key levels. Also, we'll be producing one on IOTA. Even if you don't trade IOTA, take a look at that one too. We're going to cover the same concepts. That's what we have for you. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike. Hit like and subscribe in order to help us keep this channel going, and we will talk to you in the next Path Chat. Oh, new Money Path podcast is out. It is on our website, pathtradingpartners.com, or you can find it by typing the Money Path podcast into iTunes or Google Play. Cheers, guys.